How to delete your Sephora account. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply navigate to your preferred web browser, then in search address bar type down sephora.com and make sure that you are logged into the account you want to delete. Then tap on the Your Name option available at the top right corner of your screen, and from the drop down you can see Account Settings option available there. Simply tap on it. If you cannot find account settings, then you will need to scroll down a little bit from the drop down menu and tap on it. Now there you can simply see Close Account option available there. Now all you have to do is tap on the Close Account, and you can read the policies and simply check on the box and confirm the close account by tapping on the Close Account option available there. However, many users report that the self-serve option isn't available or visible in the interface, but this is how you close the Sephora account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.